All right, check this out. It is 6:45 this Saturday morning, and we are taking a live look right now at the Mount Washington Observatory. Jason, we were saying earlier this morning it got down to 109 degrees below zero with wind chill factored in yesterday. That's completely impossible for me to even wrap my mind around. I mean, that cold. You can tell from that picture.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. I mean, the wind was gusting to close to 130 miles an hour last night.
Wow.
It's around 100 miles an hour now, and that is some of the coldest stuff around the entire world that you're seeing there at the top of Mount Washington, which is not far from us here in southern Maine, where our TV station is. So a lot of props to the people up there at the observatory that are getting these videos and out getting these measurements here to record this. And this is one of the coldest days in Maine history. By far here. Wind chill, it feels like minus 30 to minus 60. So I don't normally do the props, but I mean, when it's this cold, you think about gloves that are heated, that have batteries in them, okay? That's how cold it is. That's what you need to really just make it any distance right now. If you're headed out for, get groceries or anything to walk the dog, make sure you have extreme stuff like heated gloves and you're covering your entire face. There it is, wind gusts. 127. These are actual reports that have come in. These are confirmed. The 109 wind chill is 1 mile per hour short of the all-time 1-minute record, okay, for Mount Washington. A wind chill record in Portland, Maine of negative 45 all-time. We hit that last night around 9 o'clock. So look at their weather headlines. It is frigid. 30 to 60 below zero. That's right now. Pets, people, pipes, frostbite threat, which is 10 minutes or less. And really, I was out yesterday when it was negative 25. I can tell you in seconds I lost feeling in my fingertips. So make sure you have the gloves on if you have to go out. Big warm-up coming soon, okay? And it's going to be great, but we're not there yet. Currently, it is negative 20 in Halton, negative 16 in Freiburg. The entire state is feeling this. The wind gusts are at 40 miles an hour in Greenville. 32 in Augusta. You don't need a lot of wind when the air temp is as cold as it is. You see here by the calculation of the wind chill. So Portland, it is negative 13, a wind speed of 28. That gives a wind chill of 43 under zero. 39 negative number there, wind chill in Bangor. So that's how you calculate the wind chill, the temperature and the wind speed. So if we had an advisory, it would be 30 minutes. We don't. We have warnings up. That's 10 minutes or less. And I can tell you it's more like seconds, it feels like, where you're going to lose that feeling if you do not have your skin covered. Make sure it is completely covered, because what wind does is it takes away this force field that we have around our bodies from the heat. Watch what the wind does. It's just going to remove that shield and it's gone, okay? Insulating warm layer, gone. And that's how frostbite can really occur very quickly whenever we take away that heat layer we have around us. So wind chill warnings up until 7 o'clock, so it's really not that great to go out until after that, even though if you can, I'd wait until tomorrow. I'm not telling you to stay home, but if you can, I'd wait until tomorrow because it's a big warm-up coming tomorrow. Satellite and radar is all clear. We are frigid. Some of the coldest air we've seen in many decades, and really around the globe is happening right now. Across New England. Seas at 5 to 8 feet, wind gusting to 50 knots. Gale warning is up. Heavy freezing spray and a lot of sea smoke that's being picked up on the cameras. I'm not going out there. 5 degrees today for the high inland, 32. Look at the jump tomorrow. If you can wait until tomorrow, great. I mean, it's going to feel not like summer, but it's going to feel quite warm as we get to the 40s. And for the coast, 10 to 38. Look at that jump here. We're jumping from sub-zero to close to 40 degrees in about a day and a half. And then we get rain later on in the week at the coast. I'm not going to cancel winter because right now we're in the depths of winter, Chloe. But I will say there are just huge improvements coming our way if we can get through just one more day, and we're almost there.